Hello, my name is Chandra Pandya. I am legal internet lecturer from Pune. Today I am going to talk about the writ mandamus. The literal meaning of the word writ is we command. The writ is used by the court to order the public official who has failed to perform his duty or refused to do his duty to resume his work beside public officials. Mandamus can be issued against any public body, a corporation or interior court, a tribunal or a government or the same purpose. Fact about the mandamus in India: unlike habeas corpus, mandamus cannot be issued against the private individual. Mandamus cannot be issued in the following cases: to enforce departmental instruction that they did not proceed statutory course, to order someone to work when the kind of work is discretionary and not mandatory, to enforce a contractual obligation. Mandamus cannot be issued against the Indian President or the state governor, against the Chief Justice or the High Court acting on judicial capacity. Supreme Court of India in mandamus in a case of Union of India versus S.V. Barai. A writ of mandamus may be issued in favor of a person who establishes a legal right in himself. It may be issued against a person who has a legal duty to perform but has failed to be neglect or to do so. Such a legal duty imminent by the operational law. The writ of mandamus is the most extensive in regular or to be its remedial nature. The object of mandamus is to prevent disorder emanating from failure of justice and required to be granted all the cases where law has established no specific remedy. Thank you. For any other doubt, let us know.